Both.
It'll take a while. Not 500 liters. Yeah, I understand. Perfect.
Price yo. Inaenda juu. Kila sekundi. Yeah.
We don't need them.
Switch off. Switch off. Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Stop.
Now fill.
Now fill the port one.
Yeah,
It's
already
okay now.
changed.
Yeah.
No, but the port the starboard one is 100%.
No, it's okay. Don't pull it.
Hapana, obedi
I
angalia.
say it's okay now. I already pull
I
out.
already
What?
changed.
Oh yeah, but the starboard one is 100%.
Yeah, but they switched it.
Oh, what the heck? Why did they switch it?
This
So
is-
that one's starboard
Yeah.
and that one's port.
Yeah.
That makes no fucking sense. That's retarded.
It's the French built boat, man.
Ah.
So
Oh, that was confusion right there.
yeah.
Okay, 43%, 44%, all going up. Ah, okay. It says 100% on both tanks.
Now it's 100.
Yeah, it's 100%. It's already 100%, but you can.
Same with this one.
You can fuel up Kabisa. Yes, bro, it's all on
I
you.
think that's you see that now. More? No.
I don't know.
You want more?
I
This
can
one
see.
you have separate water inside here.
Separate water.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Wewe unaongea nini?
Yeah, if you have bottle and make it separate water. If you have water, then you make it separate.
Ah, water separate.
Yes.
Yeah.
No spilling fuel. No pressure. Yes, bro. No. What? This bomb. We got fuel.
1,000 liters.
How much? I don't know if I want to show that on YouTube. Freaking
600.
600 euros and freaking and fuel. 462 liters. Högeri bögeri. That's my Swedish. Yeah, thank you.
Men det var 7 år sedan var jag nere i Tanzania efter min student.
Danzos.
Have a nice trip. Hey.
Thank you.